Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Decon Mouse Poison is probably one of the most effective solutions for rodent control. In this video, we're diving deep into why this product stands out, exploring its key features, and assessing its overall value. If you're battling a mouse problem, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision and keep your home pest-free. Number 5. Neogen Ramik Green Fish Flavored Rodenticide. This rodenticide uses a first-generation anticoagulant called difascinone. It's designed to be highly effective. The formula ensures that rodents consume a lethal dose. This product is designed to eliminate rats, mice, and meadow voles. It works effectively to control these pests. Death typically occurs within 4 to 5 days after consumption. The product's formula is proven to deliver results. It is made with a food-quality, fish-flavored grain mix. This makes it appealing to rodents. You can use it both inside and outside your home. It's particularly well suited for wet or damp areas. This makes it a versatile solution for pest control. It is an ultimate all-weather rodenticide. It is designed to control rats and mice in various environments. It is especially effective in wet and damp conditions. What we like. This product is designed to withstand the elements, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its fish flavor is highly attractive to rodents, ensuring effective control. If you are dealing with a rodent problem in wet or damp areas, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say. The product works well. I have used this product for years with great success. This product is very effective. Number 4. Victor M925 Rat and Mouse Poison, Indoor-Outdoor Use. Are you dealing with unwanted rodents? This product efficiently eliminates them. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing comprehensive control. This versatile bait is suitable for use inside and outside your home. The fish-flavored bait balls attract rodents effectively, wherever they may be. Don't worry about the weather. This formulation remains effective in both wet and dry conditions. It's a reliable solution for any environment. You have multiple options for placement. You can use it outdoors or indoors. It can also be used in tamper-resistant bait stations for added security. The 4-pound bag provides a generous supply. This product is perfect for managing large infestations. It ensures you have enough to get the job done. What we like. This product is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing flexibility in placement. Its weather-resistant formulation ensures effectiveness in various conditions. If you're facing a large infestation, this product offers an ample supply to tackle the problem effectively. What people say. This stuff does work, and within a week. I witnessed it with my own eyes. The first few nights all the pellets I put out disappeared because mice are like squirrels, they stockpile food. Within a week, however, the pellets no longer disappeared and there were no more mice running around my house. Mouses love them. In fact, mouses love the poison so much that I couldn't even store the leftover without them finding it and breaking into the bag and eating them all in less than a week. Number 3. Exterminators Choice Mouse Bait Station Kit, 6-pack. Introducing a robust solution for managing indoor and outdoor critters. This kit features a secure keylock design, making it ideal for effective rodent control. These stations are designed to work with a wide range of rodenticides. It easily accommodates different bait forms, providing flexibility in your control strategy. Safety is a top priority with its dependable locking system. The subtle black design helps it blend seamlessly into any environment, maintaining discretion. Crafted for diverse settings, it's suitable for kitchens, garages, and gardens. Its sturdy construction makes it ideal for both residential and commercial areas. Despite its compact size, it's highly effective against large critter infestations. This provides a reliable management solution for various environments. What we like. This product features a secure keylock design, ensuring safety around children and pets. It's compatible with various rodenticides, offering flexibility in your control strategy. If you prioritize safety and discretion while effectively managing rodent issues, this is the one for you. What people say. They are small, so designed for that size rodents. Securely locks. They do what they're supposed to. Number 2. Neogen Havoc Rodenticide 8 pounds, rat and mouse bait. Are you tired of dealing with unwanted rodents? This product is designed to eliminate house mice, Norway rats, and roof rats. It works fast, typically within 4 to 5 days after they consume a lethal dose. This product uses a proven formula that rodents find irresistible. The palatable mixture is specially designed to attract them. This ensures they consume the bait and the infestation is under control. The product contains effective ingredients to get rid of rodents. It's made with Rodenticide, 0.005%, a second-generation anticoagulant, and a special blend of highly attractive bait ingredients. This combination ensures its effectiveness. You can use this product both indoors and outdoors. It's safe to use within 100 feet of man-made agricultural structures. This provides flexibility in protecting your property. Havoc Rat and Mouse is the ideal solution for your rodent problems. It's designed to stop infestations effectively. Choose this product to regain control of your home or property. What we like. This product offers a fast-acting formula, providing quick results in controlling rodents. Its palatable mixture is highly appealing to rodents, increasing the likelihood of consumption. If you need a reliable solution to quickly stop infestations, you should consider this. What people say. Works extremely well and keeps rodents gone. This is by far the best. Works better than I expected. Got rid of my chewer under the house and have not seen or heard from a rodent for a couple months now. I use them in pet-friendly sealed and locking bait stations because I have small dogs and cats and do not want them even close to the bait. Number 1. Exterminators Choice Compact Mouse Bait Station, 12-pack. Tired of unwanted guests? This bait station offers a robust solution for managing mouse activity, both indoors and outdoors. This set includes 12 compact, black stations designed for durability and discretion. Each station is equipped with a rod for mouse bait and a tray for various bait types. It's versatile enough for multiple environments, making it a great choice for your needs. The stations feature a built-in lock system to secure the bait, preventing access by children and pets. A key is included for easy maintenance, ensuring the bait box's integrity. Its low-profile design blends seamlessly into any setting, maintaining aesthetics while providing effective mouse control during winter. This ensures discreet and efficient operation. Constructed for outdoor resilience, this bait station withstands the elements while providing reliable prevention in cold weather. It's ideal for those seeking a long-lasting and secure bait box. What we like. This product is built for outdoor resilience, ensuring long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. Its lockable design keeps the bait secure from unauthorized access. If you are looking for a discreet and effective solution for outdoor rodent control, this is the one for you. What people say. I was able to put a poison block inside them and put them out, and they do have evidence of being accessed, so that's a plus. These have done the job. No more mice. They only hold one piece of bait. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.